How may I help you?
Good morning. How are you?
I'm okay.
That's great. Why are you recording?
I'm trying to figure out what are you here for. This is for your protection and mine. So
Okay, I understand. But my name's Adam, and today we'll talk to our neighbors. And I'd like to ask you: do you think God cares about you personally?
about what?
Do you think He cares about you personally?
Talk about what?
God.
Of course he does.
That's yeah. I agree, and that's the thought we're sharing. The thought I'm sharing is from First Peter 5, 6, and 7, and it says, "Humble yourselves, therefore, under the mighty hand of God." Verse 7, it says, "While you throw all your anxiety on Him, because He cares for you." So, like you said, God, He does care for us as individuals. So, my name's Adam. May I ask your name?
No.
No. Okay. All right. Well, thanks for coming to the door. I hope you
Of
have a
course.
good
You
day.
too.